Hey kings and queens, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In case you're new here, you are most welcome and welcome to Days in My Life, you guys, as a Ghanaian girl working and living in UAE. So in today's video, I'm taking you through my days. A lot happened. I lost my phone, but I found it later, and then it rained a lot. Like, we received rain. I had a lot of things, like a lot of errands to run, as you're going to see in the video. I did my wig, you guys. A lot happened. I hope you will enjoy this vlog the way I enjoyed filming it, editing it. And do not forget to subscribe if you're new to join the family, and comment down below in the comment section. Give the video a like. So enjoy. Hi besties, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. Welcome to another vlog. I'm so happy to be here. It has been a really hectic week. We had rain. It has been raining cats and dogs, and the water was coming inside the house. Like, we struggled during those like 5 days, but inshallah right now it's not that too much. Today I'm just here to continue with my vlog. Something happened. I filmed the first clip that you have watched, you guys. After filming that, and I was like, you know what, let me put my phone here. I first go and finish my work. I always film my videos after doing all my work, or sometimes I film when I'm working, so that my boss won't be like, oh, you are filming, you're always on TikTok, you're always on YouTube, you don't do your work. No, I do my work. So after filming that clip that you have watched, you guys, I was like, let me put my phone down, and I go down, I see what is happening, because we had a lot of things to do. Remember, just finished a Ramadan and we had a lot of cleaning going on. So I went down, I left my phone, like I put my phone in a cabinet in the ironing room, in the laundry room, and then I went down to do other stuff. I said in the evening I will come back, because I wanted to film for you guys that video of me preparing my wig, the one that I got from Timu, and I wanted to show you the clothes that I got. I got new clothes. In case you're new here, you don't know, or I always get clothes from my boss's kids, from my boss also. So I make sure, because they are good, they are still in good condition, so I make sure that I pack them, I send them home, so that they can give them out, or sometimes when I'm going home I go with them and I give them out. So I wanted to show you guys, as like when I come back I will film that. When I reached down, there was a lot of things to do. Time went by and the day went like that. I didn't film, and I forgot to go and bring my phone from where I kept it, because I don't use this phone like for calls, for WhatsApp. I just use my iPhone for filming my videos, like for YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. So I always plan how I want my video to go. I plan for my vlogs. So I didn't film that day, because this video that you're watching now, it was supposed to be uploaded last week. So the next day I went to check where I left my phone and it was still there. And then I started working in the morning. I did my work. After that, I said when I'm done, I'll come again and film. I still ended up not filming because we had visitors. Later in the day, they told us that my boss's sister is coming over. I did not film. That is the second day, my phone was still there. So the third day, I said, let me go get my phone and I film my video. So I went to check where I left my phone and I couldn't find it. So I was like, who took my phone? Because we are in the house and we didn't have like visitors, like other housemates coming over. Even if they come over, like I've never heard that someone stole like a phone. Here it's rare, you guys. It's not like in Uganda where you leave your phone there and someone snatches it. So I was like, who took my phone? Like, where is my phone? I checked everywhere, guys. I checked everywhere. I couldn't find my phone. So I was like, you know what, Carol? So sometimes even in this house, they know when I look for things, even if they are not mine, I find them. It's very hard for me not to find the things that are missing. So I was like, you know what, Carol, calm down. When you come, you'll come back and check. I asked everybody in the house. They said they have not seen my phone. But one of my coworkers said she saw the phone like the other day in the morning in that same place that I left it. I was like, it's not there. I went, I did my thing for like 2 hours and then I came back. I got a chair to stand on. I started checking all the cabinets. And guess what? My phone was in the cabinet, like somewhere very far, where I needed to climb on a chair to get it. And I do not remember me climbing a chair, going up to keep my phone there. Because why would I do that? There's a lot of place where I can put it, and there's a lot of cabinets where I can like put it. So why would I climb a chair to hide my phone there from who, like, or for what? So I was like, who put my phone there? Everybody was saying they didn't put the phone there. So I was like, is my phone a ghost or what? Because I don't remember me climbing a chair to hide my phone up there. So I don't know if in this house we have a witch. If there is one witch, I just pray and send fire to that witch, because I didn't put my phone that side. So I got my phone today, guys. I found my phone yesterday, actually in the night. That's when I found it. So today I decided, you know what, I need to film that video. So today, my to-do list. I also washed the carpet. You guys, I'm going to put the clip here for you so that you can see the carpet. And after, like, because it has been raining, so I woke up in the morning and the carpet was smelling bad. I sprinkled some baking soda on it and it spent there for like a night. And then today I was vacuuming it. Then we have put it outside in the sun because there is sun today. So we have put it in the sun for it to dry. I hope the smell goes. And yesterday I took bed covers to the laundry. I wanted to go with you, but my phone was not here. So I took the bed covers for laundry and they told me to go back today the same time. I went like I think at this time. So I'm going to go there and I get the bed covers, and we need to finish the windows that we have been cleaning. Like we have been cleaning everywhere because, you know, we finished Ramadan. And then after laundry, I need to iron also. Guys, ironing here it's a must. You have to iron every day. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys. I filmed it already in the morning. After this, I'm going to show you, and then we will go to the laundry and I get my bed covers. And I just posted on my TikTok asking my community to ask me questions, because I started actually doing my makeup, learning how to do the lips. And I want you guys to ask me like questions so that when I'm doing that makeup, when we are learning, I'll be answering those questions so that the video doesn't bore you guys. So I asked my TikTok community to ask me questions. So you guys also can ask me questions in the comment section so that when I'm doing that makeup, because I'm planning on filming for TikTok and YouTube, it's so hard because I only have one phone that I use to film. So it's so hard like to cut the video. Like when I film in a YouTube form, and then to put it in a TikTok form, it's so hard. Like I feel like it is so close to the screen, so it's so hard, but I'm trying. So you guys ask me anything in the comment section, what you want to know about my job, about me, about anything, you guys, so that when I'm doing my makeup, I'll be replying to you. It's gonna be interesting because I want to do them like series, where I will be doing like part 1, part 2. Like I want to do series on TikTok and Instagram. So if you are not following me on TikTok and Instagram, please go and follow me at Superwoman AC. So let's go. So here is the wig. In case you're new here, you don't know what we are talking about, I got this wig from Temu and I decided try and stop it from falling because there was a lot of hair coming out from that wig. So I decided to use this conditioner and this serum, it's hair serum, and try to comb it and see if it can stop it from falling. But I don't know, you guys, so I'm just going to try. If it keeps falling, I'm definitely going to throw it away. So that's my wig, you guys, and I didn't have anywhere to put it so that I can comb it. I decided to use my tripod, the mini tripod. It's the one that I'm using to comb my hair. Actually it worked, it helped me a lot. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the hair that actually came out of that wig, you guys. It's a lot. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. So that's how the wig looks like. You guys tell me, what do you think? I feel like it will look good on me if I give it time. So this is the hair that fell off from the wig.